Hello everyone, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to insert automatic bullet list in Google Docs table. So let's started. At first, open your Docs file. Firstly, then we can see and create a table and going to the insert menu option. Then click for the table option. Then create a table. Then bullet list automatic insert and select your column table and going to the bullet list icon and click for the bullet list insert. So again select your any columns and going to the bullet list option and click for the bullet list. So you show the insert automatic bullet list in Google Docs table. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.